I will talk about how can you disable private messages notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on notifications, just click on it. You come to next step here, you come here to private messages, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean private messages disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.